Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are better.
Hey beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did this sparkly, like brown and like a bronze kind of like, I don't know, smoky eye tutorial, and I love it. I think it's cute. I think it's really good for fall. So yeah, I'm really proud of this look, and if you guys would like to achieve it, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm doing is pulling out my Too Faced Natural Lust bronzer, and I'm just going to be contouring my face. Okay guys, now we're moving on to eyes, and I'm just pulling out my 39S Such a Gem Morphe palette. Okay, and first I'm going to be dipping into the color Super Swanky and just putting it on my crease. Okay guys, and next I am dipping into the color You Fancy, and I am just also putting that on my crease, really defining my crease line. And then I'm going into the color Perfection and just putting that on my brow bone. Now I'm pulling out my Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer and just putting this all over my eyelid. Okay guys, now I'm going into the color Show Off and just putting it all over my eyelid. I'm pulling out my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Eyeliner in the color White Blank, and I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. Okay guys, now I'm going back into the color Super Swanky and just putting that underneath my eye. And now I'm just going to be going back into the color You Fancy and just putting that underneath my eye as well, but I'm just going to be putting it really close to my waterline. Now I'm pulling out my NYX Professionals, that is the point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just going to be drawing a wing. And finally, I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti liquid eyeliner in the color Guava Glitz and just putting this in the inner corner of my eye. Okay guys, I will be right back. I'm just going to do the other eye off camera really quickly, and then we will move on to lipstick and blush and everything else. Hello guys, I am back. I finished my eyes, and I also put on some lashes. My Winky Lux Strobing Balm, and this is in the color Lit. I'm pulling out my Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo in the color Berries and Bubbles, and I'm just going to be using the blush. And now I'm pulling out my Better Than Sex mascara. Okay guys, and now it is time for lips. So I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Melted Matte Metallic Liquefied Lipstick in the color Faking It. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or scene requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located all right over here. And it will also be linked down below, so you definitely should check that out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos, which is actually on Fridays at noon. Just a little information for you. Okay, bye-bye, beauty babes. Love you.